Here is how conception resembles and mimics manifestation. Okay, so just a little bit of a biology refresher. When a woman ovulates, the egg is released from the ovary and sits at the top of the fallopian tube until it's fertilized. If it doesn't receive fertilization, it travels down the fallopian tube and heads on out with the shedding of the lining, the period, the whole process. If it does get fertilized, then what it does is it travels down and embeds in the uterine lining wall and then makes a baby. Here's the magic of what happens with the egg. The egg does not travel down trying to find the sperm. She just sits at the top of the fallopian tube, actually sends out biochemical sort of signals to the sperm so that the sperm can find her and travel there and fertilize faster. She is 100% in just her receiving energy, just receiving and waiting for that right sperm to come and meet her. Science is even finding that the egg is the one that actually selects the sperm. So she chooses which one. She just sends out a signal and then waits and receives that which she's calling to her, that which she wants. Yet for so many of us in business, what we've been taught is to act like sperm. We've been taught to go after our goals, to try to make them happen, to search them out, to rather than the feminine, the egg, we just sit and receive, we send out the signal, we put out into the universe what we want, and we attract that thing to us. So if you're really wanting to attract the desires you have in your heart into your life, how can you be more like the egg? How can you stand in more of that feminine egg energy instead of the masculine sperm energy? And when you're in that energy, things will just come to you.